Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I will be opening a ton of legendary chests and about 100 epic treasure chests. And finishing my fishing upgrades, and then I will, whatever potions I get, I already got blazing from all these, I will hopefully and possibly, I don't think so, but possibly get a huge. So montage until I finish my 100 epic fishing bait. In 3, 2, 1, montage. Alright guys, so sorry for that cut, but now I'm halfway there with the treasure chest, but let's just open them. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, now 20 basic, 30 basic treasure chest. Alright, now what I'm most excited for is the legendary ones, and I got an exclusive. Let's go. Alright, let's open all of these. Alright, 25. 2 exclusive fishing bait? No way! Let's go. 2 exclusive fishing bait. Let's go. Alright, not too bad. 2 exclusive fishing bait, which I will use. 2, 12. Alright, let's open the exclusive one now. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Now let's check the potions that I got. 100 golden. 210, dude. I literally had 1 left of this, so I got 155 of those. Let's go. 50. 50. And this. Alright, let's open now. Not too good, but it's alright. I already got one before. But really, a snowman? 1 in 75,000? And I've never got that before. Dang. Alright, let's roll. I mean, I still got a few more rolls left, so. It's not too bad, but it's fine. Alright. Now, I'm not going to talk anymore until I finish them, so, yeah. No way, no. What? Did I just get a narwhal? I mean, dang. Dang, bro. That's crazy for me, bro. Dang. But I still got this before. Alright, let's keep rolling. Okay, so I'm out. I am out of the blazing dice, dude. Those are so hard to get. Alright, let's just one more. Alright, well that was my last one, but it's fine, so let's upgrade. Alright. Luck here. Oh, yeah, I need 90 million. Alright, accidentally. Not bad at Ninja Cat, but I accidentally broke this. Alright. Let's upgrade the jelly. Oh, I'm almost there. Well, I guess that's the end of the video, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and peace.